Hi guys, we have built a marble one machine. I've made this, and then it goes around here, and the truck is going to go down here, this domino, and then the marbles will go down there, and dropping down into another track. But I'm not sure that they'll go down here. And I think they're going to get to the end, which is that yellow base. Let's have a look. Oh, there is something I need to build later for that. Alright, let's begin. I wonder if this will work, guys. Let's have a look. Oh, no goal. It wasn't a knock. We got here, which is great to find on. Let's give that another try. I hope. Now, guess what will happen? Until it knocks the domino over, then it will send those marbles down. Have a look. I'll let go of this pencil case. See, they're letting them go. Oh, that's the way they're going. Now, I'm going to try. Wow, cool race. That's the truck and the marble. There's another one in there. Had no idea where that came from. Actually, no. Wait, the truck's right here. Had no idea how that worked. We are going to have to make these injury, so it will happen again very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching my marble machine. See you on the next one.